In this video, we listed the 5 best folding treadmill for small space that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. The Rhythm Fun Treadmill is a versatile and user-friendly fitness solution designed for adults, featuring a sleek black and red design. With dimensions of 49-inch dx 24.4 wx 44h and a weight of 52 pounds, it is constructed from durable alloy steel and boasts a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, allowing users to walk at speeds up to 6 km per hour, 3.8 miles per hour, and run up to 10.8 km per hour, 6.7 miles per hour. The treadmill is equipped with a spacious 5-layer non-slip running belt, 41.7 inches by 15.7 inches, that provides excellent cushioning for the knees, making it suitable for walking, jogging, and running at home or in an office setting. Users can easily monitor their progress through an LED display that shows time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Additionally, the treadmill connects to the WELLFIT app via Bluetooth for enhanced training experiences, and it features a convenient remote control for speed adjustments. Arriving fully assembled, the foldable design allows for easy storage, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. Rhythm Fun is committed to customer satisfaction, offering reliable after-sales support to ensure a positive experience. Number 2. RUNOW Incline Treadmill. The RUNOW treadmill is a versatile and high-performance fitness machine designed for adults, featuring a sleek black design and robust construction with alloy steel and plastic materials. With dimensions of 59.8-inch dx 30.3, wx 53.5h and a weight of 132.3 pounds, this new treadmill supports users up to 300 pounds and boasts a powerful 3.0 HP motor that allows for speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. It includes a 0 to 12% auto incline for a customizable running experience and comes equipped with a removable treadmill desk, making it easy to work while exercising. Additional features include Bluetooth speakers, wireless charging capabilities, an advanced LED display that tracks various fitness metrics, and 40 preset workout programs. The treadmill's large 17.7-inch by 50-inch running belt is designed for comfort and safety, incorporating a shock-absorbing system to protect joints. Easy to assemble and compact for storage, the RUNOW treadmill is ideal for small spaces, and the brand offers lifetime service and a 1-year replacement parts guarantee. Number 3. Impremey Folding Treadmill. The Impremey TM105 treadmill is a high-performance fitness machine designed for both home and office use, featuring a sleek black stainless steel design. With dimensions of 68-inch dx 31, wx 55h and a weight of 145 pounds, it offers a robust build suitable for various users, supporting up to 350 pounds. The treadmill boasts advanced HRC, heart rate control, technology paired with a heart rate monitor armband, enabling users to maintain optimal heart rates during workouts and automatically adjust speeds for effective fat burning and cardio training. It includes an impressive 0 to 15% auto incline feature for varied intensity, a spacious 50-inch by 19-inch running area, and a quiet 3.5 HP motor that operates below 60 dB. Built with convenience in mind, the TM105 folds for easy storage and comes mostly pre-assembled for quick setup. It includes a generous 20-year structural frame warranty and a 360-day warranty for parts, ensuring peace of mind against quality issues. Number 4. Sperax Treadmill. The Sperax 3-in-1 folding treadmill is a versatile and innovative fitness solution designed for both walking and running, featuring a sleek red and black design made from durable alloy steel. With dimensions of 50-inch dx 20.8, wx 40h and a weight of 51 pounds, this treadmill is suitable for various environments, including homes, apartments, and offices. It boasts a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, allowing users to reach speeds of up to 6.2 miles per hour, while the wide non-slip belt ensures a comfortable workout experience. The treadmill offers multiple speed settings ranging from 0.6 to 6 miles per hour, catering to different exercise needs, and includes a multifunctional LED display and remote control for easy tracking of speed, distance, time, and calories burned. Additionally, it arrives fully assembled and features a space-saving foldable design, making it an ideal choice for those seeking convenience and functionality in their fitness routine. Number 5. WELLFIT Walking Pad Treadmill. The WELLFIT walking pad is a sleek and compact treadmill designed for versatile home workouts, featuring a striking black and red color scheme. Measuring 43-inch DX19, WX5H and weighing only 40 pounds, this alloy steel walking pad stands out with its whisper-quiet 2.5 HP motor and adjustable speeds ranging from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. It offers customizable incline options of 0%, 6%, and 10%, allowing users to tailor their workouts for varying intensity levels, including simulating downhill exercise to enhance muscle elongation. The pad is equipped with advanced features such as AI voice control through the WELLFIT app and compatibility with fitness apps like Zed and Apple Health, enriching the exercise experience. Safety is prioritized with a premium build that supports up to 300 plus pounds and includes anti-slip, shock-absorbing running belts for a comfortable workout. Its lightweight design and front transport wheels ensure easy mobility, making it an excellent addition to any office or home wellness program, while a 30-day usage experience and 24-month maintenance promise aim to provide users with the best support for their fitness journey.